Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you guys how I painted my RX78 in 2D animate style. It took me quite a bit of time to paint this because I'm not a very artistic person, and I just replicate this design from a picture I found on Instagram. I've been following this account for a while and I really admire all his 2D painting. I hope he doesn't mind me stealing his idea. For sure his painting is a lot better than mine, and I think this 2D animate style painting only looks good in camera. There's never a proper way to do this because every pose of the model will change the whole shading effect. If the light is on the left, all the darker shade will be on the opposite side. This is all I need for this animate painting: a set of acrylic paint and this assorted tip-size fine liner pen. I don't have a palette, so I just used the kitchen aluminum foil paper. I airbrush primer and hand paint everything with acrylic paint. And because my set of paint only comes with some basic color, so I had to mix most of the color out myself. I bought this pack of fine liner pen from Amazon that comes with 5 different sizes. And the head of this RX78 is so small that I have to use 0.05 or 0.1 for it. To avoid smudging the ink, I always try to let them dry for at least 20 minutes before I touch them again. I'm quite satisfied with the result and I will definitely try this again. Leave a comment below and tell me what's your thought on this 2D animate style painting. Hit the like button if you like my video today, and I hope you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my future builds. Don't forget to use my discount code when you purchase at USA Gundam store. See you next time.